Differences between digital marketing and affiliate marketing. Digital marketing versus affiliate marketing. Definition 1 of digital marketing is that it is the practice of promoting products online through different free and paid channels, whereas affiliate marketing is the practice of promoting products and services from online retailers in return for a commission. Definition 2 of digital marketing is that it is a form of marketing that entails selling and advertising product on a wide range of digital platforms using various techniques. Whereas affiliate marketing is a specific form of marketing where products are promoted to earn a certain commission. Digital marketing has a wide reach due to the use of different tricks and tactics, whereas affiliate marketing is a part of digital marketing, making its reach much less than digital marketing. A digital marketer must be aware of diverse methods which include search engine optimization, SEO, content marketing, analytics, and more. Whereas an affiliate marketer must be a good content creator, influencer, and should have an understanding of customer perception. A digital marketer may or may not own the products they are promoting. They may also need to use different strategies to promote different products. Whereas an affiliate marketer does not own the products that he promotes. Affiliate commissions from third-party retailers are the main source of income for affiliate marketers. Digital marketing involves various techniques of marketing, whereas affiliate marketing is a subcomponent of digital marketing. It specifically deals with commission-based earnings. Digital marketing has a lot of moving components that need to be taken care of to create a trustworthy strategy. The components includes digital marketing platforms, marketing team members, graphics designers, managers, business analysts, marketing analyzing tools, etc. Whereas affiliate marketing has three main components: an affiliate marketer, an online retailer, and the customers. Skills required in digital marketing is to be a digital marketer. You need to know SEO, social media, and analytics. Whereas skills required in affiliate marketing is to be an affiliate marketer, you must inculcate good relationship building and convincing skills, business communication, social media, etc. Digital marketing is a broader term, follows a myriad of techniques and strategies of marketing. Whereas affiliate marketing is a subdomain of digital marketing. A digital marketer either promotes their own products, in-house marketing team, or the products owned by other businesses, digital marketing agency business that promotes other businesses' products. Whereas an affiliate helps selling products of a business not owned by them. Digital marketing provide marketing avenues via digital platforms. Whereas affiliate marketing also provide marketing avenues via digital platforms. Digital marketing can be done by the seller or product owner themselves, whereas affiliate marketing can only be done by a third party. The primary reason for engaging in digital marketing is to increase traffic and brand awareness. Whereas the primary reason for engaging in affiliate marketing is to generate quick commissions for products promoted and sold. Digital marketing is a broader concept encompassing various digital marketing strategies and tools used by businesses to communicate and sell to their target audience. Whereas affiliate marketing often encompasses digital marketing techniques by the affiliate to earn commissions based on product sales. The primary agenda of digital marketing is to increase traffic and digital brand awareness, which can be associated with profit-making. Whereas the primary agenda of affiliate marketing is commission-based marketing, where the marketer is paid in terms of the units promoted. Digital marketing is not a subset of affiliate marketing, whereas affiliate marketing is a subset of digital marketing. Kindly subscribe my YouTube channel Thesis Helper. Thanks for watching.